Sure. So behind me is the Milkor 380 male class UAV unmanned aerial vehicle. We have the option to weaponize it. It can take about 210 kilograms payload, flying for about 35 hours endurance. We have developed this entire system in South Africa, in Cape Town. We are very proud that this is the largest drone that's ever been built on the African continent. It has a wingspan of 18.6 meters. Very versatile platform, multi-role, can be used for ISR capabilities, as well as I mentioned, weaponized opportunistic strike engagements. On the platform, we can integrate multiple different payloads, specifically some type of maritime radars, specific for maritime surveillance. I think in this region, it's quite important to be able to offer this capability to the customer, as there's lots of islands and lots of coastlines that need to be protected. If there's any illegal fishing or smuggling, trafficking, border control, this is a perfect type of platform to monitor your seas as well as your inland borders. Milkor is also very proud that we were the first company in the world to design and manufacture the 40mm grenade launcher. So this technology came out of our company. We're very successful with this product. We've been supplying over 67 countries, I think, in the last 40 plus years. Very strong, rigid, rugged weapon system. Can fire up to 800 meters. Our flagship Super 6 MRGL can fire medium velocity, low velocity, as well as less lethal. So it's also a very versatile type of weapon system. Very reliable as well. We've heard a lot of success stories of using this weapon system in this region, and also for UN peacekeeping. It's quite popular for the UN peacekeepers.
So this is the Milkor Commander. It's designed with a very good balance of speed, range, seakeeping, and flexibility, as well as very high payload capacity, in order to allow it to meet the challenges of maritime security. It's a very versatile platform that's capable of doing a lot more than its simple size would suggest. Increasingly within the maritime sector, there are a very wide variety of threats that range from issues of border porosity to illegal fishing to smuggling and customs issues as well. And the Milkor Commander is designed to be able to address almost any of these issues. At only 16 meters long, it's a relatively small vessel, but it can handle heavy seas and has a very long range. So it's a very versatile platform to enable a Coast Guard, Border Patrol, Navy to have a single platform that can address a wide variety of different concerns and different security threats.